Now, if you need something service management related, where something comes in, a ticket comes in, a request comes in, either from an end user or a customer or someone else, that is technically a separate product that you have to pay for separately, but a lot of people use Jira Service Management, and I always start, again, with a blank space here. You really can't go wrong with any of these if you wanted to. The only difference between all of them is that they all start blank, and they start with some pre-filled information, some templatized ways of work on top of that. So technically, if I pick like general service management, I could go in and disable stuff, remove everything that's been kind of added on, and start from scratch again. If you're new to Jira, you might want to try those out, but if you're pretty familiar and you want to build something specific, I would start blank here as well. Now, there is customer service management. I would actually avoid this entirely. This is not quite ready for production. It's really meant to be almost like an intercom alternative, if you will. And I would just say start with JSM for now. It probably needs another year or two to really develop into something a little bit more mature before you actually use it. Real quick, I know this looks like a lot. And if you'd rather just have me and my team help implement exactly what I'm showing you in this video, that is exactly what we do. If you're interested, hit the first link in the description below.